My oh my oh my, look at what is going on here, friends. All we can do is try to lead people to the water hole here. So yesterday I made a video and I said, hey, take this serious. SundialGrowers, more than likely over the next 3 to 4 days, is going to hit a 80-90 cent range, possibly $1. If it's gonna happen, this is the time. This is gonna be the last big hurrah before the stock really starts getting in trouble and starts getting death threats. So like I said, right now I am trying to make a swing trade in SundialGrowers, and I'm very curious what is going on right now. So I bought in with Sundial, clean slate, not trying to buy down shares or anything. I sold out of Sundial quite a while ago, and I've been like looking at it just for the past 5 months, like I don't know when to buy in. There's good news, bad news. I'm very bullish on the company. But I knew quarterlies were coming out next week, and that's what I talked about. So with quarterlies coming out Tuesday of next week, we are still going to see a run up here, and quarterlies are supposed to be pretty good here. They're supposed to be something something we've been waiting for here. But today, Sundial shot up aggressively, even after hours right now, around 7 o'clock of me making this video. Sundial is still playing around an 87-90 cent range, which is really good. And it's only Thursday. This is just Thursday. Tuesday, after the market closes, is when they are releasing the quarterlies. So this is extremely positive for us to get back into $1 and sustain $1 for maybe 10 consecutive days. And I do believe if Sundial can get into $1 range here, this is really going to change a lot of things and a lot of people's mind on Sundial. Now, obviously, if you follow Sundial, and friends, a lot of people say like, oh, why didn't you bring this up? Why didn't you bring that up? Friends, every time I talk about a stock in general, and talking about Sundial right here, I can't talk about it. I'm not going to make a 30-minute video every night about the same things, hashing them in and out. Sundial, yes, has a lot of big things going on here in the future. Pretty much in the next 4 months. Companies that they have bought into, partnerships. There's a lot of big, great things going on here with Sundial. And like I said, I'm very bullish on Sundial, but what I am doing right now with this situation, this is an easy swing trade. One thing that I was not expecting is today, Thursday, to bring in such high volume. Today, honestly, I was expecting to see this at a 65-70 cent range, but we broke over that. And this has all come from after hours market. This is strictly happening after the market closes here. So what is tomorrow going to bring? Now, last time Sundial saw these kind of numbers, and this is where it gets really exciting. This is where it gets really fun here. So let's go back here. Let's trail back just a tad bit here, because this is where it gets really exciting. The last time Sundial actually did something like this was a day before their quarterlies came out, right around November 10th and November 11th. So on November 11th and the 12th, that was right when the last quarterlies came out. And that was just a 24-48 hour period right before quarterlies the day of came out. And we saw Sundial hit around this 92 cent range. Well, now we've still got 3 days until quarterlies come out. And we're already seeing such high volume, such aggressive movement. So I don't think it's any secret, and you don't have to be like somebody that's been in stocks for a very long time to look at this and go, if this thing is going to hit $1, this is the best chance it's got right now. So look at this right here. Let's look at today's chart right here on a candlestick chart here. This is really crazy what we're seeing right now. So today's volume was not crazy. Most of the day was just kind of an average day. We were sustaining this 60 cent, 65 cent range, and I was happy. I was like, okay, this is good. We're keeping this, because I was thinking like it could do what it usually does and plummet. But after hours here, look at these buy-ins right here. This is insane. Look at this, crazy. One big sell-off right there, right when it hit a 74. Obviously, a lot of people setting their sell status right there, but boom, still we had bigger buy-in. This thing is trying, I'm watching it right now live, and it's still trying to break into a 90-cent range, and it might do it here. So friends, man, this is really exciting. We have been here for a while with Sundial, talking about Sundial. I have been talking about Sundial for 2 years now, and the last big thing we had happen with Sundial money-wise and stock-wise was, almost a year and a half ago, when Sundial hit that high dollar range and then took those 2 stock offerings back to back, and then since then we kind of have had a slow plummet here. But now Sundial, like I said, it needs to get itself together and get back up here, and I definitely think this is you see what I'm saying here? This is so positive because we still have so much time. We're so ahead of the game right now with Sundial hitting these numbers that this is really leading me to believe that we could possibly see Sundial for the first time since last year break into this dollar mark by tomorrow. And if Sundial hits $1 by tomorrow, Friday, closing of the market, Monday is going to be very good because obviously it should keep that dollar, because Tuesday the quarterlies will come out after hours, and the good thing about that is that they're doing this on purpose. They're going to release the quarterlies from what they have said so far, unless they change it. They're going to release them after hours. So Tuesday is going to be a big day of trading. You're probably going to see a lot of trading right in the morning, and then after right around noon, 1, I don't know what's going to happen because a lot of people are going to be getting suspicious, but at that point, we could be trading, if we see $1 tomorrow, we could be trading around $1.20, $1.30. Who knows? Even more. We're just guessing and projecting stuff right now that could possibly happen here with what we're seeing right now. So friends, if you can't tell, I'm very excited. We're having great volume, great buy-in right now. And these call options are getting a little more hefty right now. Man, if you bought call options for right about now, you made the right move because you're seeing some big movement. Man, this thing's still, I'm sitting here watching, it's still moving. It's trying to get to that 90-cent range. It is trying so bad right now. Friends, with all that said, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in that future, friends. We will keep talking about this. Best of luck with Sundial this week, going into next week. Very excited, friends. I will talk to you very soon. Bye, everyone.
Don't wanna be, ooh,